Yes, ordinary citizens have felt that they need to defend their areas, to defend their assets, and we welcome the fact that ordinary citizens are working together with the security forces, are standing up not only to defend their own assets, but they are also defending our democracy, because they can see that this is an assault on the democratic situation that we have in our country. So they are standing up, and we applaud that our people themselves see that there is a lot at stake, and the instigators want to spread instability in the country, and we don't know what their full and true intentions are. We are rolling out our security forces. 25,000 soldiers are now being rolled out, and in a short space of time they will have flooded the entire province and other provinces such as Gauteng as well.